Good afternoon, grade 5. How are you? Hope all of you are. This is Ms. Dahed, and we are going to have a new lesson in the math. But before, I need to check did you get all of you the books? I hope yes. If no, please pass by the school as quickly as you can, because we are going. This term you are going to have exams first month, second month, okay? Not like first month. Today we are going to start a new unit, Unit 2. The title of my lesson is Multiply by Multiples of 10, 100, and 1000. I opened the book at page 17. This is page 17, Unit 2, Multiply by Multiples of 10, 100, and 1000. What is the meaning of multiple? Multiple means if I want to go to the notes, okay, if I say 10, 10, 20, 30, for example, and 90, for example, 210, 540. We call these multiple of 10. Why? Because it has 1 0. If I write for you 200, 300, 400, okay, if I write for you 8,500, these numbers are these numbers has 2 zeros, so they are multiple of 10. Multiple when you skip counting by a number, for example 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. These are multiple of 4 because you start with 4 and you keep add each time 4, so it is a multiple of 4. So my lesson is multiply by multiples of 10, 100, and 1000. I need to erase this. If all of us open our books at page, all of you open your books at page 17, and let's go to the last part of the page, examples. For example, they write for you 2 times 30. 2 times 30. You are going to change the 30 as a multiple of 10. It will be 2 times, instead of 30, I will write 3 times 10. Then I will multiply the numbers together. 2 multiply 3, 6. 6 by 10, the answer will be 60. Okay? So 2 multiplied by 30, I changed 30 to 3 times 10. Then I took the 2 with the 3 together. For another example, so the first one in the book, for example, if I write for you 2 times 300, 2 times 300, you write 2 times. Instead of 300, you will write 3 times 100. Then you will take the 2 with the 3. 2 with the 3, the answer is 6. Times 100, the answer will be what? 600. For example, if I write for you 9 times 20, okay? You will write 9 times. Instead of 20, you write 2 times 10. Then you will take the 2 with the 9 together. The answer is 18 times 10. You will drop how many zeros? 1 0. 18 times 1, 18, so the answer is 180. Now let's go to the lesson. Okay, so let's, as I said before, the title of my lesson is Multiply by Multiples of 10, 100, and 1000. Let's go to the last part of the page. 2 times 30, as I said, we change the 30 to 3 times 10, then you will get the answer. For example, if I have 20 times 30, you will change the 20 to 2 times 10 with 30 to 3 times 10. Then you will take the numbers together. 2 times 3, 6. 10 times 10 is 100, so the answer will be 600. So in this page, we are not going to do anything, only we are going to do the last part. Look at it. Now, if you have, for example, 91 times 2000, and they wrote the question vertical. Vertical means under each other. the first step, you are going to count how many zeros you have. You have how many zeros? 3. 1, 2, 3. You will write the zeros down. You will write the zeros here down, 3 zeros. Okay? Then you will say 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 9, 18. So my number will be the product. If you are multiplying, you are looking for the product. The product for this question is 182,000. Now, if I have 62 multiplied by 4,000, how many zeros I will drop? I will drop 3 zeros. Then you will multiply this 4 by the 2, then 4 by 6. 4 by 2, 8. 4 by 6, 24. Now, what is my number? 248,000. Okay, here, how many zeros I will drop? Yes, you are correct, 3 zeros. When you drop these zeros, now the 5 should be multiplied by 1, and the 5 should multiply by 8. 5 by 1, 5, and 5 by 8, how much? Yes, you are correct, it's 40. Now, read the number. It is 405,000. Again, this one, how many zeros you are going to drop? 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Now, then if you drop the zeros, now the 3 will be with the 3, and the 3 will be the 3. 3 times the 3 is 9. Or 3 times the 3, 9. Now, 1, 2, 3. So what is the answer? The product for this equation is 99,000. Okay? Now, they did for you. They did for you this one. Let's do this one. How many zeros? I will drop 2 zeros. In the questions before, you have only down 3 zeros. You start by dropping the zeros, then you multiply the 2 by 1 and the 2 by 9. In this part, you have 0 beside the 3 and 0 beside the 4. So you are going to drop 2 zeros. Then what you will say, you will multiply the numbers. 4 by 3, 12. The product is 1,200. Now here, how many zeros I will drop? Only we have 1 zero, so you will drop the 0. Then look how they draw the arrows for you. They are telling you you are going to multiply the 3 by 2 and the 3 by 7. Now let's do this one. Okay, let's do this question. Okay, look what they write. They write for us 22 multiplied by 400. What I should start with? Yes, you are correct. The 2 zeros. Drop 2 zeros down. Drop 2 zeros down. I need to correct the line. Okay, drop 2 zeros down. Yes. Now then, 4 by 2, 8, and 4 by 2, 8. So the product is 8,800. Now this one here. Okay, drop how many zeros? We are going to drop how many zeros here? We are going to drop here how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So you should start with the zeros. Drop 3 zeros because I have 1 here and 2 here. Then 2 by 3, 6, or 2 by 2, 4. Okay, what is the answer? It's 46,000. Here, how many zeros we are going to drop? 3 zeros. There is no zeros above. Then the 3 will be multiplied by 2 and the 3 by 9. 3 by 2 is 6. Or 3 by 9 is 27. So what is your number? 276,000. You drop 3 zeros. Here, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. Drop 3 zeros. Then 7 by 1, 7. And 7 by 6, 42. So the answer is 427,000. So this is the first lesson in our today, how to multiply two numbers that has zeros. The first thing you are going to do is what? To drop down the zeros you need to drop the zeros down. Then you are going to multiply the digit by each other. 3 by 4, the answer will be 12, for example. So my number will be 1,200. Now let's go to our second lesson. Okay, look, in this lesson we are going to multiply. It is in page 19. All of you hold your pencil and go to page 19. Okay, what is the object? It is multiplying a two-digit number by a two-digit number. Yani two numbers, each one of them is 2 digits. What is my objective? To multiply two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. To learn vertical multiplication, to estimate, يعني to put them under each other. هلا we are going to start from this question. 43 multiplied by 64. Okay, look how I will solve. You will imagine that there is no 6 here. Okay, as the 6 is not you can't see it. So you are going to multiply 4 by 3 and 4 by 4. 4 by 3 is a 12, 2 and 1 above the tens. 4 by 4, 16, 1, 17. You finish from the first line. Now when you go to the second line, you should know that we are multiplying tens. This 6 is in the tens place. So if it is in the tens place, that means it has 0. So I will drop at the beginning the 0. Then you will say 6 by 3, 18, 8 and 1 above. 6 by 4, 24 plus 1, 25. 25. Now what is the third step? You will add 2. 7 plus 8, 15, regroup 5, 1 above. 1, 1, 2, 2, 5, 7. The 2 will go down. 1, 2, 3. So my answer will be 2,750. So if you have a number with 2 digits, with another number multiplied by another number with 2 digits, start with the ones. الفور هي بالones. You will say 4 by 3, 4 by 4. First, finish from the first line, go to the second line. Start by putting the 0 because you are multiplying tens. Okay? Let's do this. Okay. Okay. Now again, they repeat the question for us. Now again, you are going to do what? You are going to multiply. You are going to multiply 4 by 3. Again, it is 12, 2 and 1 above. 4 by 4. It is 4 by 4, it's 16 plus 1, 17. So the first line finish, it is 172. Now this 6 again, as we said, it's in the tens. You are going to start by putting 0. Then 6 by 3 is 18, 8, 1 above. 6 by 4, 24, 1, 25. Now you are going to add 2, 15, 7, 2. So the product for 43 multiplied by 64 is 2,752. Now let's go this question. I will give you 1 minute to solve it alone. Yalla, solve it alone. It is 61 multiplied by 56. You are solving using the vertical way. Okay, you are using the vertical way. You are going to multiply 61 by 56. We should start with the ones. Is 6 in the ones. 6 by 1 and 6 by 6. 6 by 1 is 6. 6 by 6 is 36. Finish from the first line. Now go to the second line. This 5 is in the tens, so I should put here 0. Then you will say 5 by 1 and 5 by 6. 5 by 1 is 5 and 5 by 6 is 30. Now you are going to add 6, 11, 1 with 3, 4, and the 3 will go down, put comma. 3,416. You are multiplying a number with 2 digits by a number with 2 digits. When you are multiplying two numbers with 2 digits, don't forget to put the 0 in the second line. Now let's do this. 7 by 4, it is what? 28. 8 and 2 above. 7 by 4, also 28, plus 2, 30. Now we are going to multiply the tens. Because we are multiplying the tens, you should put 0 here. Okay? Then you will say 1 by 4, 4. 1 by 4, again 4. Add 8, 4, 7. The product for 44 multiplied by 17 is 748. This question is multiply two numbers. Each one of them has 2 digits. You should align your digit under each other and take care while you are adding. Okay? Now let's move to page. Let's move to page 20, okay? And you will have this, or I will solve only one and the rest will be homework. I will solve one question and the rest will be homework. Okay, if you notice the above line, it's only 1 digit. So no need, you are going to solve here the first line. Sorry, I will erase the line because I need to solve each 2 questions is 1 question. Okay, look here, 39 multiplied by 2. Here they continue the number. It's 39 multiplied by 22. Here they put only the ones. 2 times 9, how much? Okay, 2 times 9 is 18. 8 and 1 above. 2 times 3, 6, 1, 7. This question is related to this one because if you notice, they wrote above 39. Here they wrote only the ones place 2. Here they wrote it 22. I have the answer for the first line. It is 78. I just did it here above. So you will copy this answer here. It is 2 times 9, 2 times 3. Again, I will multiply the tens. Remember that the tens is where? Yes, it's in the this number is in the tens. So I should put 0 for the tens. Then 2 times 9, how much? 18. Or 2 times 8. 2 times 8 is, 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, so the first line or the first step is 78. Why? Because 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 3, 6, 1, 7. Now this is connecting to this. They continue the number. It is 22. It is not 2. 2 times 9, as we said before, it's 78. Plus this 0, if you don't put it in while you are solving, your answer will be wrong surely. 7, you should start with the 0 because this number is in the tens place. So I will put 0. Then 2 times 9, 18. 8, I have 1 above. 2 times 3, 6, 1, 7. So I have 780. Add 8, 15, 8. Okay, 858. Please, this question is related to the one that is under it. Here they wrote 4, here they wrote 14. So these questions are related. These questions, no, only these 2 are related. This is 87. No, this and this are related. Okay, let's do it. 4 by 7, it's 28. 8 and 2 above. 4 by 6 is 24. 24, 2, 26. Finish from the first line. So this is related to this, 268. Okay, now let's do the tens. Start with what? Start with 0. Then 1 by 7, 7. 1 by 6, 6. Add 8. 6 by 7 is 13. 3, 1 above. 2, 6, 8, 1, 9. So what is the answer? It is 938. This one is related to this one. These alone, they are not related. Each one is different question. So this is your first homework. You are going to do these 4 questions. Okay? Now let's do here Here they said estimate each product. Check by using a calculator. No need to use a calculator, only estimate. You go to the 47, underline the 4. Underline the 4, circle the 7. The 7 will give the 4 1, it becomes 50. Underline the 3, circle the 6. The 6 will give the 3 1, so it will become 40. So the estimation will be 50 by 40, 2 zeros, or 5 by 4, 20. Now, let's do, for example, question 19. Underline the 1, circle the 9. The 9 will give the 1 1, so it will go to 20 times 41. Underline, circle, okay? Is the 1 going to give the 4 1? No. So what it will be? It will be 40. 40. I will write it here, okay? Now, how many zeros I have? 2 zeros, and 4 by 2 is 8. Okay? Now, let's do, for example, this question. 79. Underline the 7, circle the 9. It will go to 80. Multiply. The 2 will not give that 8 1, so it will be 80. So my number is 80 multiplied by 80. 2 zeros, and 8 by 8 is 64. Okay? You understand the rest? 1, 2, 3. What I didn't solve is a homework for you. Okay? Grade 4. Now, finish. Okay. Now, we finish our lesson. I need you to solve the homework and send it to me. And I hope all of you will get your books until we meet next week. Bye-bye.